So first thing first, forget about the air conditioning unit, the main unit. Just bring your installation kit and come to the location where you want this air conditioner to be installed. So you install the rubber seal slowly. Okay, that's the hose exhaust. So this unit is 3-in-1 unit. This has dehumidifier, fan and air conditioner, of course. So if you're using dehumidifier, you have to have hose connected at all time, water exit hose. But if you're only using air condition, that's the drain hose for air condition and cooling, but you don't need to drain it regularly, only if you get the warning on the panel. So it has 2 vents. This vent you open and clean it time to time, and this vent, everything is in the user manual. It has auto water evaporation system, so you don't have to have hose connected if you're only using it for cooling. But if you're using for dehumidifier, you have to have this hose connected at all time. So that's the LG portable air conditioner for you. Okay, now we're gonna go and install it. So first thing first, forget about the air conditioning unit, the main unit. Just bring your installation kit and come to the location where you want this air conditioner to be installed. Just bring the kit and come to the window, which window you want to install on. And the next step is to open the window and check everything about the window, how the window opens and everything. Okay, I have this net on my window. I'm trying to see if I can open the net portion as well, because this hose also already has a net, so I don't need this mosquito net. I can open this as well. So I took out this entire net because I don't need this, because we already have a net, a grill in this hose to stop animals, and this window will be permanently closed. Now you take out this blue tape and just see roughly where do you want it, and just do the sizing. I think I will need extension, so they provide this extension bits. So just roughly test and try, just check. Okay, so they have this, so we need larger one, so I'm taking this out. This was already in this unit, this panel, which I took it out. It says everything here, interior, so we will face this side facing us inside the room, and that side facing outside. Now you can see these two look similar, so I will be putting this side facing us and this side here, like that, and see if it fits. It's supposed to be tight fit, so test and try. Okay. Sometimes you might have to cut a little bit if it is needed. So I'm just figuring out to use this panel because this is consistent looking to that one. So you install the rubber seal slowly. This process is really easy. It's not really difficult. It maximum gonna take you about half an hour. Some people say it's just 10 minutes, but no, in real life it will take half an hour if you do it carefully, nicely, slowly. So this is the final look. I did good sealing, try to do good sealing from the corners. I used the permanent one on the top and the non-sticky one in the middle. I had to cut a little bit of a the kit frame, because my window wasn't wide enough. Don't be shy to cut it off if you need it. Now all it got left is I need to hang this to this, lock it up. There are locks on the top. So you have to make sure this is tight enough so it doesn't come off with the movement of the hose. That's it. The even has arrow. You have to slide it on this side. It's properly installed. Now we're gonna install this pipe, and then we're good to go. So that is one of the benefits buying branded equipment, is it comes with a surge protection plug. It has button to reset and everything. And this is how I have installed. They say the shorter the hose, the better the cooling. Try to keep the hose as straight as possible and the short as possible. So my hose is just 1 meter length I've used. It can stretch up to 1.5 meters or 2 meters. But if you can see, I have a lot of here. I compressed it because I don't need it. Yeah, I have some curves. They say if you have less curves, better cooling. But some curves are needed. So let's crank it. So that is the remote. I just inserted batteries, and now it has this battery indicator level, how much the battery left. So that is power button. This turns on, and this is timer, this is light, that's temperature, low, higher, above, higher, lower, temperature button, swing, auto swing, fan level, how the throw of the fan you like, mode. So that's just fan only. That is cool, means air condition. That is dehumidifier. Mind, I said it before, if you're using dehumidifier, you have to have hose connected at all time. So we're gonna keep it at fan and turn it off. So it saved the settings. And we're gonna turn the unit as a fan only for now. As soon as I inserted the plug, the AC came alive. The vents went up and down again. LCD came on and went back. I guess it was just showing and indicating us that the power is on. So there's a little LED on this switch as well. So let's let's try to crank it. Ooh, nice. I have used portable air conditions before, so I know they are a little bit noisier than the window air conditioning units. But what do you expect? Imagine you have compressor, fan, and entire engine of the air condition inside your room, where in window air condition the compressor is outside. So a little bit of noise. I like this white noise, makes me sleep. You get used to it. So this is right now at full speed fan. Just fan only. Now we're gonna reduce the fan a little bit. Very, very nice. Reasonably noisy. Noisy as it should be. Okay, let's kick in the compressor. So we touch the mode button. This is the first time compressor will kick in. You know what? Oh yeah. Now the compressor is on. Yeah, you can definitely hear the compressor on. Actually the room's temperature was above 70 anyways, so compressor didn't turn on. So we put it to low so the compressor can stay on. First time compressor has kicked in. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna do a review video, 1 year review video. I'll use it for entire summer and do a single summer review. And if you enjoy these kind of videos, hit like button, consider to subscribe, and this will give you more motivation to make more videos. See you in the next one. Bye bye.